Hello, I'm Mats with Beamex. Today I'm going to tell you about another main new feature in CMX 2.17. Approval workflow for instrument data is now a part of the change management option in CMX. The workflow for instrument data allows you to create a sequence for approval signatures before an instrument can be calibrated. Let's check out how it works. Let's say you're adding or editing and saving something to a function or position, and you need to start the approval workflow. When opening electronic signature, you notice a new section on the right-hand side that you can toggle open. From here, you can assign users or user groups to create the signature workflow. As you can see, the approved checkbox is still there, and you can continue using it even if you don't want to use it or you don't just need it for the approval workflow. When you start creating a signature workflow for this instrument, the approved checkbox then disappears from this view, as the workflow will take care of that. When or if you need to edit the instrument later on, you can reuse the previous saved workflow for approvals, as the workflow is instrument specific. Yes, that means you can create the workflow just once for an instrument. The workflow starts when the first electronic signature is saved. When the next user in the workflow opens the electronic signature, this shows where we are in the approval workflow process. If needed, the user edits the status, in this case approved, and comments can also be added to this on each step. When the user clicks OK, the workflow takes the approval to the next user in the sequence we just created. When the user clicks reject, the whole approval workflow is rejected. Once the approval sequence is completed, you can see the chain of approvals and comments from all users. In this example, when the last entry has been made by the quality manager, the instrument is approved. Optionally, CMX can send out email notifications to the next user or user group in the approval workflow sequence. This will require email notifications to be enabled in your CMX. When you install CMX 2.17, you can utilize this feature. Thank you for checking out the CMX approval workflow for instrument data with me. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.